Hello student, this is Suman Sharma from SVM Sinidhi and this is the another video for class 10. In this video, we will study the commercial unit of electrical energy. Students, we know that we use so many electrical appliances in our home and we use them very frequently. And all the electrical appliances or the devices have the different rate of power consumption. For example, as you can see in the slide that here are the two devices. First is the refrigerator and second is the fan. Here the refrigerator suppose consumes 400 watt and a fan consumes only 50 watt. Now we have to use these two devices for the different interval of time. Here we know that a watt is the energy consumed in 1 second. Means when we consume 1 joule of energy in 1 second, then the power is 1 watt or a watt. Here this is the formula for the power, that power is equal to energy by time, and the SI unit of power is equal to watt, that is equal to joule per second. Now when the devices is run for a long period of time, then the energy consumption keeps on increasing. Suppose that to understand it, there is a fan and a fan of 50 watt is used for whole day. Whole day means it is used for 24 hours. Then when a fan of 50 watt power used for 24 hours, then it consumes the energy equal to this amount of joule, and this can be calculated actually. Here we know the formula of power is equal to energy by time, and the fan have the power rating is 50 watt, that is power is equal to 50 watt, and we have to calculate the energy consumption and the time is given 24 hours. Here the power is in SI unit but the time is given in hours, so we have to convert it in second. So energy is equal to 50 watt power multiplied with 24 into 60 into 60 seconds, and after solving this we get the answer of 432 joule of energy. This amount of energy is consumed when a fan of 50 watt power is used for 24 hours. But this amount of energy is very large, and when the amount of energy is very large, then it is converted into kilowatt hour. Here it is converted into kilowatt hour, and this kilowatt hour is known as commercial unit of electrical energy. Now we will see that how we convert the joule into kilowatt hour. In the next slide, here is the amount of energy is given in joule, which is that amount of energy when we operate a fan of 50 watt power used for 24 hours, then this amount of energy is consumed. Now we have to convert this amount of energy which is in joule into kilowatt hour. We know that this 1 kilowatt hour can be written here like this: 1 kilowatt 1 hour. Here means when a device of 1 kilowatt power rating is used for 1 hour, then the energy consumption will be 1 kilowatt hour. Now we know that 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Multiplied with 1 hour. Here again, this 1000 watt and the 1 hour is converted into second, that is 3600 seconds. So it can be written here like this, that here again the 1000, here it can be written like this, that 1000, and we know that power is equal to energy by time. That means in the term of SI unit, watt is equal to joule per second. So we will put joule per second in place of watt here. That is joule per second multiplied with 3600 of seconds. Here the second is cancel out. So it becomes 36 into 10 to the power 5 joules, and when we convert it in standard form, that is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule, and this is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So actually this is the conversion, that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This is the relation also written here. Now here as you can see that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. That means 1 joule is equal to 1 by 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 kilowatt hour. This is the conversion. Now we have to convert this amount of joule into kilowatt hour. So this amount of joule is equal to, when we multiply this quantity with this amount, then we will get that 1.2 kilowatt hour. Means this is equal to 1.2 kilowatt hour. So in this way we can convert joule into kilowatt hour. And here we know that the SI unit of electrical energy is joule, and 1 joule is the amount of electrical energy consumed when the device or the appliances of 1 watt power is used for 1 second. And 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of electrical energy consumed when an electrical appliance having a power rating of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour. So this is the definition, or how we can define 1 joule or 1 kilowatt hour. Here 1 joule is the, or simply the joule is the SI unit of energy, and kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of electrical energy. Now we will see that how we calculate the amount of electricity billed. Here we consider the two devices. First is the refrigerator of 400 watt and second is the fan of 50 watt. Here the condition is given that the refrigerator is used for 5 hours and fan is used for 12 hours. And by using all the information, we have to calculate the cost of electricity consumed if 1 unit is of cost 5 rupees. Means 1 unit is of cost 5 rupees. Now the very simple calculation we can calculate that for the refrigerator, I am using for the refrigerator that power is equal to 400 watt and it is used for the time of 5 hours. So firstly, we will convert this watt into kilowatt, that is 400 by 1000 kilowatt, and it becomes 0.4 kilowatt. Now we have power 0.4 kilowatt and the time of 5 hours, and we know that power is equal to energy by time. So firstly, we will calculate the amount of energy consumed when a refrigerator of 400 watt is used for 5 hours. Then energy is equal to power into time. Here power is equal to 0.4 kilowatt and it is used for 5 hours. So it becomes 2 kilowatt hour. This amount of energy is consumed by the refrigerator having power of 400 watt and it is used for 5 hours. We have to keep it in our mind. Now, in the next slide, here we will calculate the consumption of energy by the fan. Now, the fan, here the power rating is equal to 50 watt and again we will convert it into kilowatt, that 50 watt by 1000 kilowatt, and it becomes 0.05 kilowatt. There's a mistake. For fan, power is equal to 50 watt and we convert it in kilowatt. So 50 by 1000 kilowatt. Here we can solve it. So it becomes 0.05 kilowatt. This is the power. And now the time, it is used for 12 hours. Here the formula is power is equal to energy by time, and from this equation we can calculate energy is equal to power into time. So energy is equal to 0.05 kilowatt power is multiplied with 12 hours and it becomes 0.6 kilowatt hour. So this is the energy consumed by the fan which having the power rating of 50 watt and it is used for 12 hours. Now the thing is that we have to calculate the amount of electric bill when both the devices are run for the different period of time. So the amount of energy consumed by the refrigerator is 2 kilowatt hour and the amount of energy consumed by the fan is 0.6 kilowatt hour. So the total amount of energy is equal to what? That is 2.6 kilowatt hour. This amount of energy is consumed when both the devices, a refrigerator used for 5 hours and a fan used for 12 hours. Now one thing is that here 1 kilowatt hour is known as 1 unit. That means the total energy is equal to 2.6 unit and it is given in the question that 1 unit cost rupees 5. So 2.6 unit cost the rupees of 2.6 multiplied with 5, that is 13 rupees. So, in this way, we can calculate the amount of electricity bill. Now, in the next slide, there are some questions which is your homework, and all the 4 questions are solved in the same manner as you have just seen. So students, you have to solve all the 4 questions and make the right calculation and send me. So I hope this is enough for today. Thank you so much.